everybody, this is J. Michael Manley with the J. Michael Manley team at Keller Williams Greenville Upstate, and I'd like to welcome you to 327 Gleaner Drive here in Inman, South Carolina. This is going to be an amazing kitchen. You've got stainless steel appliances. This refrigerator does stay with the property. You've got amazing granite countertops, wood cabinets, flat top stove, stainless steel appliances, over the range microwave, stainless steel, 2 fast boil burner top there, and you also have the pantry closet, perfect for storing all your goodies. So ladies and gentlemen, this house is amazing. Patio, you've got a covered porch, 12 by 12 on this section, and then you've got another porch pad that's 12 by 12 as well. You've got a grilling pad, and then you still have the covered area as well. Perfect for hanging out with friends, even if it does start to pour down. You've got a ceiling fan out here, perfect room for your grill, amazing back area space, and actually the playset can stay.